Okay, so let's check your work from 4 and 6. So 4 is an and statement, so it's going to be x comparing 3 and x comparing 1. So all of these in here are your possible answers. So all of those answers are less than or equal to 3. All of these answers are greater than 1. So this is your compound inequality. All right, let's jump down to 6. 6 is an or statement, so I'm going to separate my statements with the words or, and I'm comparing x to 4. So all of my possible answers here, are they greater than 4? They are. They are greater than 4. All of my possible answers are less than a negative 10. Now, neither one are shaded in, so none of them are equal to. All right, let's go ahead and go the opposite direction. Let's go ahead and graph them. So if y is less than 2 or y is greater than 7, I know since it is or, I will be shading out, okay? Or opposite, okay? Or think about or. One going this way, one going that way. Kind of like out better. So we're going to put a point at 2, and we're going to put a point at 7. Okay, so if we look at 2, this is just less than. I know it's going to be an open circle. I'm looking at y is greater than, so I know it is going to be a closed circle. So if y is less than 2, all of the numbers to the left are less than. If y is greater than or equal to 7, I know all of the numbers are going to the right. Okay, and if you look at that, opposite directions, am I going out? Am I going opposite directions? Absolutely am. Another thing to think about is if you know it's an or statement, put your smaller number here, your bigger number on the left, and then you know you're just going to shade out. All right, so let's look at the second one. This is an and statement because they are together. A is less than 32 and greater than or equal to 25. So I'm going to put my smaller number on the left, bigger number on the right. And so with the 32, it is less than, so it's an open circle. With the 25, it is less than or equal to, so it's going to be a closed circle. And it's an and statement because they are together, so I'm shading inside. So A is less than 32 and greater than or equal to 25. All right, try these 3 on your own, pause it, and then they'll see how you did. All right, so and statement, -4 and 3. If it is and, I know I'm shading in the middle. I could just do that. And then I could look at less than or equal to, closed circle, greater than, open circle. And so is this stating G is less than or equal to 3 and greater than or equal to -4? Yep. All right. Or statement. I am shading out. So B is greater than 4. So B is greater than 4. So all my possible answers are bigger than 4. Then we're looking at B is less than or equal to a -5. So all of my possible answers shaded in are less than. So I'm shading to the left. And am I shading out for an or? Absolutely. All right, let's look at 5. We've got a -3 and we have a 6. At the 6, I have a closed circle. At the 3, I have an open circle. And it is an and statement. So that means it should be shaded in the middle. So let's check this out. If I were to rewrite this, this is x is less than or equal to 6. Is this showing x's are all your possible answers are less than or equal to 6? Absolutely, because this would be 5, this would be 4. All of those are less than 6. And then x is greater than a -3. -2, -1, 0 are all greater than -3. And they try to trick you by breaking it apart and then putting the word and in there. Don't let them trick you.